My role was to lead the architectural team, Mott MacDonald's architectural team, on the infrastructure aspects of the Nightingale Hospital at ExCeL in London. Usually, if you think about a hospital, you primarily think about the clinical areas, but the infrastructure around those clinical areas has to function very well and be very efficient to allow those clinical areas to operate freely. We're used to working on very large infrastructure projects of all kinds. Typically, those projects are very well-oiled machines before designers are set loose on them. We didn't have that luxury on this project purely because of the time that we had to react to get something up and running. The intensity with which we had to work as a team meant that everyone had to leave their egos at the door. We all had to really pull our weight as a team to get to the solution as quickly as possible. We live in a world where we have every type of technology at our fingertips, and sometimes actually I think that blurs the lines of what is physically achievable. But when it comes right down to it, the basics have to be there. It has to be good communication, good motivation, and a will to do something together for the greater good. And I think out of any project I've worked on in Mott MacDonald, this project's shown me of what you're actually capable of.